Hey, just picked up this large dog pooper scooper set. My dog leaves quite a minefield in the backyard, and I got this. So I'll get it set up and I'll show you how it works. All right, so we got the box open. This comes with 2 gloves. Top of your rake, got your handles, a little shovel attachment, and then your big pan here. The poles are very easy to assemble. They just clip and snap right in. Same process for all 3. And these all clip right on to the tray. And it's storing very nice and easy. All right, here we got it in action. So I just used it on my backyard, almost filled up the whole tray. It worked really well, very easy to use. Got everything picked right up. And I also like it's like a non-stick material even, so I just ran the tray and the rake under the faucet and it cleaned it right up.